Hey there, Lucid enthusiasts! Welcome back to our daily update on Lucid stock. Today, we've got some exciting news to share that could have a significant impact on the stock's performance. We'll be diving into a recent news article that sheds light on what's happening with Lucid and how it might be affected by Tesla's earnings. So stay tuned for some valuable insights and analysis. Let's dive into the exciting price action from July 24th. 2023, and see how the stock performed. Remember, we're here to analyze the data and provide you with valuable insights to make informed decisions. So, without further ado, let's get into it. On July 24th, LCID started the day with an opening price of $6.90. The stock experienced some fluctuations throughout the trading session, reaching a daily high of $7.26 and a daily low of $6.82. By the closing bell, LCID had surged to $7.17, representing a notable 4.37% increase from the previous day's close. The range for the day, which measures the price difference between the highest and lowest points, was 6.38%. That indicates there was some volatility in the market, offering both opportunities and challenges for traders and investors. In terms of trading volume, LCID saw a daily volume of 41,743,051 shares, which is slightly below the average volume of 59,927,635. This suggests that while there was significant interest in the stock, it didn't reach the higher trading activity we've seen in previous sessions. Overall, the price action for July 24th demonstrated a positive momentum for LCID, with a notable increase in value and moderate volatility. As always, it's crucial to keep an eye on any unusual metrics and market trends to make well-informed decisions. Interestingly, there's no specific news about Lucid itself. Instead, several electric vehicle (EV) stocks, including Lucid, are bouncing back after experiencing a downturn last week. The dip was largely in sympathy with Tesla Inc., following its second quarter earnings report. So, what happened with Tesla's earnings? Well, the company reported impressive figures, with second quarter revenue rising by a staggering 47% YoY to $24.93 billion. Notably, this surpassed the consensus estimate of $24.48 billion. Additionally, Tesla's quarterly earnings stood at 91 cents per share, surpassing the expected 82 cents per share. However, the market closely watched the operating and gross margins, which declined from 25% YoY to 18.2% for the second quarter. These margin results were a critical point of interest due to recent price cuts by the company. Now, what does this mean for Lucid? As a high-growth company, Lucid has high expectations from investors. Any disappointment in Tesla's gross margins could make investors more cautious about the growth prospects of other EV companies, including Lucid. This could lead to a reevaluation of Lucid's stock price based on more conservative projections, potentially resulting in a decrease. Of course, the situation is always subject to change, and we'll be keeping a close eye on any further developments. Remember, it's essential to stay informed and consider the broader market trends when making investment decisions. Keep your seatbelt fastened and stay tuned for more updates. Alright, let's dive into the upcoming resistance and support levels for Lucid stock and explore how the price might react as it approaches and potentially breaks through these levels. As of the upcoming session, we have some key resistance levels to keep an eye on. The first one sits at $7.35, followed by $7.52, and then $7.79. If the stock manages to break through and holds above the initial resistance level at $7.35, it could gain some upward momentum, potentially shooting up towards the next resistance at $7.52. And who knows, if it continues its bullish run, it might even aim for the higher resistance at $7.79. However, as with any trading situation, we also need to consider the levels of support that may come into play. These support levels act as cushions for the stock during potential declines. The first support is at $6.91, followed by $6.64, and then $6.47. If the stock faces selling pressure and starts to drop, it might find some stability and bounce back around the first support level at $6.91. But if that level is breached, we could see it testing the next support at $6.64, and so on. Remember, the stock market is always unpredictable, and various factors can influence price movements. Keep a close eye on the trading action and look out for any significant news or developments that could impact Lucid's stock performance. And that wraps up our analysis for today's Lucid stock update. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful. Remember to keep an eye on those upcoming resistance and support levels as the stock price continues to unfold. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with all the latest news and analysis on Lucid Motors. As always, happy investing, and we'll see you in the next one.